Hello everybody, welcome back to my Digital India with Ravindra Dastikop series. In today's session, we'll be talking about another important activity that happens within the software development cycle, and it's called application integration. In this session, we'll be covering the following: why application integration is needed, what is application integration concepts, application versus data integration, benefits of application integration, and application integration use cases, and finally a simple conclusion. Why we need application integration? Application integration enables applications and systems that were built separately to work together, resulting in a new capabilities and efficiencies that cut costs, uncover insights, and much more. So, in the software world, in the life of an enterprise, many people develop different applications, and the tools and resources they use for developing those applications depend on the available resources at that time. Over a period of existence, different people might have used different resources to develop system. So there comes a time when actually you need to take advantage of all the existing system, but they are different and disparate. So in such cases, you need an approach so that you can integrate them, and this is all about application integration. What is application integration? Application integration is the process of enabling individual applications, each designed for its own specific purpose, to work with another. By merging and optimizing data and workflows between multiple software applications, organizations can achieve integrations that modernize their infrastructures and support agile business operations. The application integration helps bridge the gap between existing on-premises systems and fast-evolving cloud-based enterprise applications. Through seamless interconnected processes and data exchanges, application integration allows enterprises to orchestrate a variety of functions across their entire infrastructures, enabling business to operate more effectively and efficiently. Now that we have learnt what is application integration and why do we need it in the context of software development, let us look into different concepts which make up this process. The first concept which is extensively used in application integration is called Application Programming Interface, or API. An API is a set of functions and procedures that specify how software components should interact. They allow developers to easily and quickly access the functionality of other software through well-defined data structures, and have as a result become a popular way of integrating applications, data and services in recent years. The next important concept within application integration is events and actions. An event is an occurrence in your connected applications, such as a payment being received. An event then triggers an action or a series of actions which can include standard functionalities like creating, retrieving or updating databases, and be application specific, such as a new case being creating in Salesforce or any such software. Data mapping is another important concept. Data mapping specifies the information exchange that is to be used. For example, when you complete and submit contact forms in one application, this event can trigger actions that map those form fields to other corresponding data sets on other applications, categorizing the information entered into first name, last name, status, etc. This simplifies the process of exporting data for easier grouping and analysis. Now let us look into the differences between an application integration and data integration. What is data integration? Data integration is the practice of locating and retrieving information from various sources while combining that information into a unified structure and view. Also referred to as batch-based data processing, data integration involves collecting an extensive amount of data over a period of time, storing it and then eventually processing it in batches. Data integration is not necessarily conducted in real time. It is commonly used after processes have been completed, so it can provide administrators the data portability they need to analyze application performance over time, eliminate redundancies, and ensure data consistency and quality. How is application integration is different from data integration? Application integration is different from data integration in that it directly links multiple applications at a functional level. Application data may be linked in near real time, allowing organizations to create dynamic and highly adaptable applications and services. There are a number of proven application integration styles that can be used independently or in combination, from modern API-led integration where business IT assets can be exposed and discovered in a rapid and a secure way, to more traditional service-oriented architectures like Enterprise Service Bus, where you integrate different applications by putting a communication layer or bus between them. This allows enterprises to orchestrate integration flows that trigger after events occur in one application to the next. Because of these real-time interactions, enterprises are able to stay agile, responding to new data feeds or performance issues as they occur rather than after the fact. Now let us look at the benefits of application integration. The organizational benefits of application integrations. Integrating your applications across various clouds is an important step towards synchronizing your data. However, you need an integration tool that allows deployment of integration runtimes with multiple clouds. This allows you to deploy close to your applications, resulting in lower latency times as processes run directly within the cloud, and lower costs from not needing to move data in and out of platforms. Next, we shall look at operational benefits of using application integration process. The most important benefit is access any data from anywhere. Access any data from anywhere, with organizations diversifying their application landscape, example adopting SaaS applications, building new solutions in the cloud, data is increasingly dispersed across multiple environments. Application integration tools that deploy across these environments enable access from any system to any sort of data in any format. The second operational benefit is called resolve endpoint individuality. Each system or application has its own idiosyncrasy that must be accounted in any integration: error handling, authentication protocols, load management, performance optimization, and more. Integration tools that handle these factors out of the box yield tremendous gains in productivity over coding and a higher level of enterprise class resiliency. When application integrations are used correctly, it will give one benefit: integrators focus on integration. Purpose-built tools help integrators to focus less on the surrounding infrastructure and more on building business logic. By addressing error recovery, fault tolerance, log capture, performance analysis, message tracing, and transactional update and recovery, an integration tool enables users to create integration flows more without requiring a deep knowledge of the various platforms and domains. Now is the time to understand the different real-time applications of application integration process. Banking. By integrating customer accounts, loan application services, and other back-end systems with their mobile app, a bank can provide services via a new digital channel and appeal to new customers. Manufacturing. Factories use hundreds of or even thousands of devices to monitor all aspects of production line. By connecting the devices to other systems such as part inventories, scheduling application systems that control the manufacturing environment, manufacturers can uncover insights that help them identify production problems and better balance quality, cost, and throughput. Healthcare is another domain where application integration has been successfully used. By integrating a hospital patient record with an electronic health record EHR system, anyone who treats the patient has access to patient's history, treatments, and records from the primary care physician and specialist, insurance providers, and more. As the patient moves through different areas of hospital, the relevant caregivers can easily access the information they need to treat the patient most effectively. Another important domain which benefits from the application integration is ERP systems. Enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems serve as a hub for all business activities in the organization. By integrating ERP with supporting applications and services, organizations can streamline and automate mission critical business processes such as payment processing, supply chain functions, sales, lead tracking, and more to get a very broad view of the entire processes. Even the CRM systems can benefit from application integration process. When combined with other tools and services, customer relationship management (CRM) platforms can maximize the productivity and efficiency by automating a number of sales, marketing, customer support, and product development functions. Now let us summarize the application integration process. The existence of a number of approaches for software development results in diverse kinds of systems being built. In addition, systems are continuously changing and evolving. Business events like merger, new customer demand, and upgrading of existing system lead us to a situation wherein existing systems need to be integrated with new and emerging systems. Hence, we need a systematic approach towards application integration.